Hey guys. Damn, I've just totally choked on my coffee, but I'm just taking a walk around the neighborhood. I am in Romeoville, well, I don't say I lived out here, but I stayed out here for about 8 months. Been coming out to England. What? Since I was a kid, this is my grandma's neighborhood. So I was taking a walk. Sorry, so if you walk down memory lane, just a little bit of what Midwestern retirement home community was like. Really nice. Overall, really nice. Sorry, I apologize in advance for having to clear my throat on camera about 30 times. Jeez. Not super relaxing. Just taking a walk. So, there's a pretty cool scenic trail. I went a different direction than I normally do when I'm out here. So, cool little bike path, golf course here is a little further out where I'm at. Coming up to it. I usually go a different direction, as I said, so I'm a little lost. It's been 2 years since I've been over here last. But just a nice quiet walk. They have a really cool little lodge area too. It's got like a little waterfall, like water fountain stuff and everything. Pretty nice. Showing my legs for no reason. I don't really appreciate it. So here's the bike. Which way are we going? I don't know. I guess we'll this way. Anyway, I think I might have had this shorter than this picture, but pretty quiet. To go back that way, there's a golf course, so I'll have to walk back that way. I think let's take a shortcut. Anywho, I remember when I guess, I don't know, I don't say lived out here, but whatever. When I was out here on our own mountains, it's used to like sound like Silent Hill sirens. You know, but I don't get too much of that here. It's just, maybe I did. Maybe that's a bit of smoke from that candle over here, but right now I can't really tell. It's just so much nicer than being in the West Coast right now. I would take 78 all day over 106. 108 is just brutal. Hair dryer heat. I'm like, ah. If I ever get tired of the West Coast, I probably will move back out here. I said it. I guess I'm still a Midwestern girl at heart. That won't change. So, is there a good chance I will move out here? Yeah, eventually. Just get on my shithole job, just get my business going. Probably move out this way. I don't know about the tornadoes and polar vortexes. Not fun. I mean, it's a different way of life out here. It's a little slower, but at the same time, I'm fine with it. like my grandmother said, well, my other grandmother anyway, she's no longer with us, but as she would say, I want to blow where the wind, want to move where the wind blows fucking free. And I'm like, well, you know what? She's onto something. The wind's blowing pretty fucking free out here right now, and it's nice. So I might just stay with that at some point. And I still have family out here too. It's not so bad. Sometimes being boring is fine. It's and it's so nice. Like even tomorrow being my birthday, like I have my family wanting to actually ooh, make me birthday dinner, which is so nice. Like that. Like, and it's great too. So I'm not gonna like telling pennies, but I have family members that want to cook for me on my birthday. It's like so sweet, so heartwarming. It makes me happy because I did want to spend, you know, actually my birthday with my grandma, which is nice. She's 97, so you know, I ever get this opportunity to do that. Sounds cool. Oh yeah, bastard. So let me just clear my throat again. Next direction will be, um, God, sorry. Next direction will probably be the golf course. So it's, jeez, I'm so sorry. Just clear my throat again. Ew, bug. Okay, I don't like flying bugs, and there's a lot of them. And yeah, oh, ew. Like really ugly big bees. I don't like. I uh, like spiders and stuff, but I don't like flying bugs, especially receivers. But yeah, I don't know what that is. Ew. Okay. Ew. Jigs. Okay, so it's the other side. So we're not near the golf course, but we're walking the golf course on the other side. But we'll walk over to where the lodge is. And another big ass bug. Good lord. Oh, so well, I guess there's a bunch of weeds one can expect. Okay. Anywho, I'm just walking I think, towards the neighborhood again. That's a nice walk. I need my walk. So, um, the last one I guess wasn't totally a vlog. That's a big ass freaking butterfly. Good lord. Um, anywho, um, the next vlog will be. Look at that nature track. We're up tuning. So, the next one will be hopefully showing some Chicago food in the next few days before I go. I guess what do they call those ASMRs that are people eating mukbang or some shit like that? Gonna try. I'm not into people doing eating sounds, but the food out here, especially the Italian beefs and Chicago dogs, gyros and pork sausages are definitely indeed honorary foods for that. And then pizza, so we don't do like oh my god, ew. That's like um my family's not really into the deep dish Chicago pizza. They like um the thin crust. But the thin crust isn't like the normal thin crust. They're very like for the most part the toppings are all up to the edges and everything's like underneath the cheese for the most part. So it's a different kind of thin crust. So it still rivals, and your least on at least on the West Coast anyway. It's just the West Coast Chicago food isn't real Chicago food unless it's Portillo's. Portillo's is amazing. I wish we just had one. Used to go to one in California when I was out there and I was waiting for them to park. But there's a few of them out here. I think there's the one in Arizona too. I guess that is closest to me now. But won't matter anyway. But anyhow, okay. That's watch. Okay. So about 3 years later, I made it over to the lodge area finally. Here's the cool waterfall with these big bugs going around here. I can't wait too long. But anyway, large area, gazebo, trail. Isn't that cool? All over there. Yeah. I remember walking here years ago, like in the fall, winter time, when it started to go down early. There would be coyotes that would be walking out here. And I was alone. I was darting my ass right back to the other side too. I'm like, oh hell no. Ew, what is that? It's something fun. But yeah, people were in the pool area. Is that a crane out there? Geez, crane. There's some cranes out there or something walking towards it right now. Let's go over now. Or fall, whatever. I think it's a crane. Here goes another one. No. There's a lodge over there and stuff. I think they're geese, crane. Grey goose. Grey goose. Yeah. So, alright, nature walk, huh? Pretty damn cool. That's so cool. Oh, nice. Yeah, nice little nature walk here. I'm just having fun. Let's see what people do when they're not stuck in a sweatshop job. On a Tuesday, no less. I'm 2 hours ahead out here from where I'm in the West Coast, so. And the time frame hasn't, like, fucked with me yet. I think I'm just happy to be away, so I think that it didn't even phase me. Being 2 hours ahead, what would I be doing 2 hours earlier? Nothing. Except working, I guess. So, the fact that I think I just need to get away didn't even phase it. The time difference didn't phase me. I think just being gone for weeks and make me reevaluate my life and say, what the fuck did I come back to, bro? Ah. But yeah, good lord, my god, they want something for real. Good lord. So cool. Things don't look real. Like floaters, but they're real, I think. Right? I don't know. If they're not, they're pretty good damn floating toys. I don't know, whatever. Oh, trying to guess it's real. I don't know. Are you looking? Yeah. Big here now. I don't know, whatever it is, people. Grey goose time. Okay, so I'm on this guided path to the golf course road, driving around this whole area many times over. I don't even know how big this all is, but I tried this whole path many times over. But here's the golf course on the other side. Pretty cool. I got some judge before I leave. There's my friend pack on my trip. Yay. It's a pretty nice area, nice and quiet. I'm walking through here pouring rain. Pretty fun. Maybe I'll have to make it this week. It's supposed to rain Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So this is 64%. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. Maybe we'll blow up and run and I'm walking out here next week. So, anyway, this is the small tour of the retirement community. My grandmother lives at, and I'm going. I will take some orange juice. Actually, there's one here, but it isn't food. And whatever I end up doing, it looks like. Alright, thanks for watching. Take care.